Okay, everyone. In the previous lesson, we learned about how we should buy or sell to make money from trading, but they are all in paper. The most important thing is that we have a lot of expenses that we don't see in our paper. Let's see, for example, let me just create an Excel file. Make it bigger. Wait a little. Okay. This is good. This is big enough. For example, we buy something on 100 and sell it on 150. We make 1,500 profit. Yes, we buy, sell, profit. We make 50 profit. Am I right or wrong? What's the problem? We make 50 profit or not? The important thing is about that is that it's very idle. It's like heavens if we can make it like this. What happened in reality is that we buy at 105. Why? Because you can't buy a lot of things in one price. And the important thing is that you sell at 145. And you maybe say we make 40 profit. It also, if we call it like this, sorry, let me just create it. If we call it like this, we make more than 40% in profit. I'm not agree with you. Because why? Because we have fee. What is fee? Is that fee is the price that the stock market gave. Reduce your money. It's the cost that a stock market asks you for buying the price. Let me tell you life thing. For example, the stock market say for each product you buy, I ask you for $2 for each 100 product you buy. I ask you for $2 fee that go to me because I am selling you the product. And for each 100 product you buy, $2 go to me because I am going to sell your product. And after adding the fees here, we have some invisible fee. Many people don't see them until they become broke. Let's say buy and sell fee cost $12. After each costing $12, now we make our profit 28. You see that only most of our profit go to the dealer and the sites that are going to sell to us. And if you put leverage on your money, this fee is going to be bigger and bigger until you can't handle it and it makes you broke. And the important thing about the stock market is that the person is going to charge you for this fee, take their money back at the first. Let me say you why. For example, you open a position and the stock needs $12. They don't ask for $12 after you take out your money from your position. They ask the $12 at the first. And at the first, they ask their money and make your position negative at the first. And it's important for you to learn that. Okay, now we understand a little why it's not easy, and we are going to learn more about this. Because of that, when you, for example, see something like this and make a big money like 4% from it, it's not 4%, it's actually near than 1% or 2%, because you can't buy exactly in these numbers, and also many of your profits go as a cost to the dealers. I call this the invisible costs for you to better understanding. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I tell you before, it's my trading journey, it's not a tutorial course. But if you want tutorial course, we have good ones on Python and PowerPoint, SAP, eTabs. You can use them. Don't forget to tell your opinion in comment and like and subscribe.